If you want to install VidIQ in Chrome, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step in just a few minutes. VidIQ is a popular Chrome extension for YouTube creators because it helps you with keyword research, video optimization, analytics, and overall channel growth. So if you want to make smarter videos and improve your YouTube SEO, this is a great tool to add to your browser. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel and lets you know when more helpful videos go live. All right, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. This is important because VidIQ is a Chrome extension, so you'll need to install it directly inside the Chrome browser. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of your screen and click the 3 vertical dots. This opens the main Chrome menu where you can access different browser settings and tools. From that menu, hover your mouse over Extensions. A side menu will appear, and from there, click Visit Chrome Web Store. This takes you to the official store where you can safely search for and install browser extensions. Now that you're in the Chrome Web Store, click inside the search box at the top, type VidIQ, and press Enter on your keyboard. Chrome will now show you a list of matching results. From the search results, click on VidIQ Vision for YouTube. Make sure you choose the correct extension so you're installing the official tool for YouTube optimization. On the extension page, you'll see a blue Add to Chrome button. Click that button to begin the installation process. Chrome will now prepare the extension and check the permissions it needs. A pop-up confirmation box will appear next. This is where Chrome asks you to confirm that you want to install the extension. Click Add Extension to finish the process. After a few moments, VidIQ will be added to Chrome, and you should see it installed and ready to use. In some cases, the extension may appear in the top right area of your browser, and you may need to pin it for easier access. That's it. You've successfully installed VidIQ in Chrome. From here, you can start using its YouTube tools to improve your videos, research keywords, and optimize your content more efficiently. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.